If your eyes feel dry, gritty, or irritated by the end of the day, this video is for you. That uncomfortable moment when blinking doesn't seem to help anymore may be caused by blocked eye oil glands. These tiny glands sit along your eyelids. They release oil that keeps your tears from evaporating too quickly. When they clog, your eyes can start to feel scratchy, red, or even blurry. If you want the full breakdown, I've linked the complete guide below. Now here's something many people don't realize. These oil glands are part of your eye's natural moisture system. When they're working well, they help keep the tear film balanced and your eyes comfortable. But when the oil inside the glands becomes thicker, it can slow down or stop the flow completely. That's when irritation often begins. A lot of people don't realize this, but everyday habits can play a role. Long hours of screen time can reduce how often you blink. Dry environments can speed up tear evaporation, and sometimes simple eyelid hygiene gets overlooked. The result is a cycle where the glands stay blocked and the eyes never quite feel refreshed. But here's the encouraging part. Small daily habits can often help restore that natural oil flow. One of the most common approaches is warm compress therapy. A warm compress placed gently over closed eyelids helps soften the thickened oil inside the glands. This can encourage the oil to move more freely again. Another helpful step is gentle lid hygiene. Cleaning your eyelids removes debris and buildup that may interfere with the glands. And something surprisingly powerful is simply blinking fully and regularly, especially during long stretches of screen use. Stick with me. This next part matters. Consistency is what makes these habits work. When these steps become part of a daily routine, many people start noticing their eyes feeling more comfortable again. If this sounds familiar, tap like. Now let's answer a couple quick questions people often ask. What exactly are eye oil glands? They're called in glands. They sit along the edge of your eyelids and release oil that protects your tear film. That oil keeps moisture from evaporating too quickly. How long does it take to see improvement? Some people notice relief within a few days. Others may need a few weeks of consistent care before their eyes start feeling better. The key is patience and routine. Blocked eye oil glands are common, but with steady care, many people find their eyes begin to feel calmer and more comfortable again. And if you want the full step-by-step guide that walks through these habits in more detail, you can find it waiting for you at eyefatigue.com.